Hey there, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a magic circle. So you'll need to make a magic circle when you want to do different kinds of project. For example, if you want to create something circular, or if you want to make a granny square, you need to start with a magic circle. So to make a magic circle, you can use one finger or two fingers. I usually use two fingers. So I'm going to show you two ways. The way in which you can use a hook, or the way in which you can use your hands first. So let's start with the hook. So you'll take the shorter side and place it on the front like this. And then you'll take the longer side that is connected to the yarn and wrap it around your fingers. And then bring it to the front like this to form an X. After that, you're going to insert your hook. So when you insert your hook, you're not going to insert it from here. You're going to insert it on the other side. The side that is connected to this shorter side, that is where you're going to insert your hook. So you're going to insert it under here. And because this yarn is hanging, to make it stiffer, you can use your other fingers just to hold it and to make it stiff, yeah. So you're going to insert your hook under here, and then you're going to grab this yarn from the working end. You're going to grab this yarn like that, and then bring it to the front like this, and then still this working yarn, you're going to grab it and then you chain one like that. And then after that, that's when you'll continue. So let's say you're using a single crochet project or a half double crochet. So if it's a single crochet, you only chain one, and then now you continue making the single crochets, so like that. If it's a half double crochet, you'll have to chain two, or if it's a double crochet, you have to first chain three. Like let's say you're making a granny square, you have to first chain three and then continue with the double crochets. So I'm going to do that again. So you take the yarn on the shorter side, wrap it around your fingers, bring it to the front like this. You can even use this thumb to hold it to make it just steady. Then bring your hook, and if you want to know you're going under the right one, you'll feel like there's another yarn in front of it. So bring your hook under this yarn here, and then grab the one on the working end, the one you're holding with your thumb, and then the still on the yarn that you're holding with your thumb, that's still the one that you'll chain one like that, and you have your magic circle. If you want to use your hand, they usually use the same thing. You have your yarn in front of your hand like this, bring it around like this, then to the front, then under this yarn you'll just pull it up like this. After pulling it up, that's when I usually insert my hook, and then I chain one, and then after that I make whichever thing I want to make like that. You see? So I'm going to give you examples, and the examples I'm going to do with the method I usually do, which is my hand. So let's start with making a circle. So wrap it around like that, pull it through. You can use your hook to pull it through, and then you chain one, and then you can tighten it so that it doesn't look so big and becomes hard for you to continue using after chaining one. So let's say you're making a circle, so you'll make 6 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to make a single crochet, you insert, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops, and you pull through all 3 loops, and then you'll tighten the one on the tail here. And then if you want to count, you can count from right here where the hook is. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then to join, you'll join on the first stitch there. So you just insert your hook on that first stitch like that, and then pull through like that. you've joined. So at times, especially when you're working on projects, let's say a bucket hat, you'll continue increasing. So I'll just show you one increase. So let's say you're increasing this one. So when you're increasing, you'll start first, you'll first start from the first stitch. So you have 2 single crochets in every stitch all around, like that. I'm just giving you examples, guys, so that you can get more comfortable, because when you do it with examples, you get more comfortable with doing the stitch. Yeah, that is the third one. So right here you have a total of 12 single crochets, and then you'll notice that there is another one here. So this one, if you started from the chain that was below the chain 1, you'll have 1 remaining here. So this one is connected with the chain. You won't insert your hook here. When you're finishing this round, you'll insert your hook up on that first stitch, and then you pull and make a slip stitch, and then you chain. So you see, when you chain, when you come and start here, you'll have this stitch remaining when you come around here. But then if you start here, you'll do on this chain. But the easier way for you to make sure you don't make a mistake is to count. If you're still a beginner, you can be counting while you move so that you don't make a mistake. So when you're so used to counting, you'll find it easier later on. Yeah. Another example that I want you guys to do, the other example is a granny square. So you're going to make, when you are making a granny square, so you do the same thing. So wrap the yarn around, make an X with your hook or your finger, grab this yarn like this, and then you bring that yarn and chain 1. So with a double crochet, with a single crochet you chain 1, with a half double crochet you chain 2, with a double crochet you chain 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And then after that, you're going to make 2 double crochets inside the circle. So you insert, after yarning over, you insert your hook inside the circle, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you're going to make 2 of these double crochets. So the chain 3, you're going to consider it as a double crochet. So you have 3 double crochets, and then you chain 2. And then we repeat this again. So we're going to repeat this 4 times. First one, the second one, and the third one. Chain 2. 1, 2. So when you chain the last 2, you're going to connect. So you can pull your yarn and then connect it from in the chain 3, the third chain, you're going to connect it from there. Pull up a loop, make a slip stitch, and then like that. So from here you're going to cut the yarn, because most of the time for granny squares we change colors. So you pull it, and then you have, so like it will be there like this one. So after that we continue and continue. So today I won't be teaching you how to make a granny square, so I wanted to teach you how to make a magic circle. So make magic circles and practice with circles, practice with granny square, so that you can learn how to do it better. So that was it, guys, for today. Tell me down in the comment section if you understood or if this video was of help to you, and I'll really appreciate that. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.